Welcome back, guys. Joe Byron here, the Outland Photographer, and today we are in the Big Easy. I'm with your friend and mine, Miss Rita. Say hello, Miss Rita.
Hello.
And she is treating me to a trip to the Big Easy, New Orleans. We're at a very famous place here. We're going to film it here, the Legends Park. We're going to come back tonight, get something to eat, and enjoy 4 days of living life in the Big Easy. Later. Alright guys, we just had an awesome breakfast here at Music Legends Park and on Bourbon Street and the Big Easy. Let's continue our adventure later. Alright, we have made it to Canal Street, which is one of the big boys here in downtown New Orleans. Bell action going on with the church, and that is the Catholic Church, if I'm not correct. It's not the Krishna Church. It is not the Buddhist temple. It is the Catholic Church. Bless the Pope. We are here at the French Market. Do you have anything to say about the French Market there, Rita? It's a nice place to shop, the French Market.
Now I'm not drunk. Hey, man.
The Big Easy, y'all. What have you got, Rita?
I have hydration.
Dehydration? What, are you sweating? Is it hot? Are you hot in New Orleans?
Maybe a little.
We're still here in the Big Easy. This is our 5th hour walking around. We are on Royal Street. And we've got a band. Street players here in the Big Easy. The Big Easy, and it's Beatles time. Alright, Rita has bought us some pizza. She's got a very nice looking pizza. I've got a dried out earth monster. It's alligator sausage and onions. She told me to buy it. She said it was good. Let's give it a try. Listening to some jazz here in New Orleans. She's double fisting drinking. I am on the wagon. Give me my damn beer. Big Easy, y'all. Get out there, get some. Be very quiet. We're in Pirates Alley. This is one of the most haunted places in New Orleans. This light that's flickering is driven by supernatural forces. That's according to the ghost tours. We're listening for footsteps or beads rattling. And the footsteps come from sandals of the priests that were killed here when the Spanish took over and the French bullied them. So you want to come to Pirates Alley when you're in New Orleans.